Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Huawei Band 11, and on this video we are going to answer some of the frequently asked questions about the Band 11. So if you have any questions, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and answer some of your questions. The first one, strap compatibility. Is the strap of our Huawei Band 11 compatible with Huawei Band 10? So we have here our Huawei Band 10. Okay, to answer your questions or your question about this strap, let's try to interchange this strap here. Again, this is our Band 11 and this is our Band 10. Let me show you the settings here to show you that this is the Band 10, the Huawei Band 10. Okay, so let's remove this strap here. It is removable or interchangeable. You can buy a third-party strap for the Band. For the 11, the same style here. Let's remove this. Okay, then let's try to attach the strap of our Band 10 with the Band 11. So we have here, let's see if we can. Okay, so it will not fit. The other one, let's see. As you can see, it will not work. Okay, so it's not compatible. How about the strap here for our Band 11? Goes inside but it will not lock. Okay, I'm going to show you the slot here. As you can see, it is different. Even the strap here, the size is a bit different. Okay, bigger, much wider for our Band 11 compared to the Band 11 or compared to the Band 10. Okay, let's have a close-up of the connector here. Very different so far. Bigger for our Band 10. Okay, when it comes to this one, the connector, a bit small for our Band 11. That's why it is not compatible for the Band 10. The strap of Band 10 is also not compatible with 11. Okay, you need to buy a new strap. Okay, if you want to change the strap of the Band 11, you cannot use the strap of our Band 10 on the Band 11. Okay, the strap for our Band 7, 8, or the Band 8 and 9 is compatible with 10. Next, let's have the compass. Okay, so there's a question. Do we have a built-in compass in our Huawei Band 11? Let's check. Okay, so we have here some of the health functions. We have an emotional well-being here, and we have the compass. So we have a built-in compass here in our Band 11. So this feature is not available here in our Band 10. We don't have a built-in compass, as you can see here. We do have some sports, but we don't have a built-in compass. Next, with the sports functions, do we have a built-in GPS? Okay, for our Band 11. Sadly, we don't have a support for built-in GPS. Even Even the outdoor sports functions don't have a support for the built-in GPS. If you want a GPS, you need to pick the premium version, the Huawei Band 11 Pro. Still, they track the same metrics here, like steps, calories, distance, cadence, pace. They have the same fitness metrics, except that our Huawei Band 11 don't have a built-in GPS, or doesn't have a built-in GPS. Next, can you swim with the Huawei Band 11? Is it full waterproof? Okay, so let's check it here. So we have, I don't know if they put the rating here. So based on the specifications of our Band 11, it is 5 ATM waterproof rated. Okay, so it is full waterproof, safe from splashes of water, rain or sweat. In fact, to answer the question if there is sports for swimming, we have it here. Can you swim with your band? Yes, we have a pool swimming feature here, meaning this wearable is full waterproof, well protected from splashes of water. The same with our Band 10. We also have, it is also 5 ATM waterproof. Let's see. Yes, we also have here a pool swimming feature. Okay. Next, it is regarding the always on display, or the screen display of the Band 11. Okay. So is there a support for always on display? If I'm not mistaken, yes, we have an always on display support, or AOD. So we have here the display and brightness, and as you can see, we have an always on display functionality. Okay, this will reduce battery life, raise to show AOD, raise to show watch face. Okay, you can activate this. Let's see if we do have an always on display. And as you can see here, we have it here. So this is our always on display. What if we change the watch face here? What will be the always on display? Let's check. And this is our always on display. So different always on display depending on the watch face. Again, let's check. How about this one? And this is the always on display of this watch face. Okay, so very good so far for our Huawei Band 11. Again, hopefully we answered some of your questions. The strap compatibility, the built-in compass, the built-in GPS, its waterproof rating, as well as the always on display. Additional features that is not available on the Huawei Band 10 is the calculator, the built-in calculator. So we have here a built-in calculator and a comprehensive emotional well-being. Previous emotional well-being is, we do have at least 3 states, I think. With this one, we already have 12. And for the always on display for the Band 10, let's see if we do have one. Let's check. We have settings. Then we have display and brightness, and as you can see here, we don't have screen on. We have screen on, but we don't have an always on display support. Okay, so if this feature is really what you want, I guess you have to go with the Huawei Band 11 than the Huawei Band 10. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. For additional inquiries about the Huawei Band 11. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.